Trying to be a little bit more quiet here in the airport, but day 27, month of Meh. And yeah, we're all checked in. Just waiting for the airport or the airplane to land. Windsor Airport, YQG. It's the first time I've ever been here. I know nothing about the airport. So, yeah, this is part one. Here we go! Woo. Says who? On the plane. Waiting to take off. Getting there. So I think we're about 30 minutes away, 20 minutes maybe, from landing in the Dominican. So yeah, not really much to see out there. It's nice and dark. But yeah, we'll pick it up once we land.
I am to pay the bargain in the other way.
Made it to Punta Cana. Such a nice place. It's just after midnight. So obviously I missed yesterday's upload. But you know what? When I get back to the hotel, which is probably I think half hour, 40 minutes, I will make the video and post it. It won't be very good. I mean, what video of mine is good? So, but yeah, we've got a taxi here to take us to our hotel. So, yeah, I'm wearing a sweater, but man, it's humid. It rained. It rained just pretty much just about 10 minutes before we landed. It started raining. Yeah, how can I really complain? Like this is the month. This is the end of the month of Meh to turn it into the month of yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna end this, and I will see if I can get some video. Even though it's really dark, maybe I can get some video on the drive to the hotel. Maybe not. We'll see. If not, do a quick video in the hotel room. Or, yeah, resort room. Ciao. Oh yes, one nice thing I will like to say is that all of these vehicles here in the island, not all of them, but a lot of them, they are manual shift. And they're Toyotas. Toyotas, I think, are the most of the ones that I've seen here. This one is a Toyota Hiace. Yeah, we don't get those back in Canada. Diesel. So yeah, nice machine. Anyway, out. We've made it. Interesting room design. I'll show you more later. But
thermostat's on a little thingy. Did that paper in the pen?
you know, this is day 27 of my month of meh. So yeah. See you tomorrow.